Hey there. Welcome back to Money Talk. Today we have an incredibly valuable video for all of you who are starting to dip your toes into the world of investing. In a short time, I'm going to provide you with a comprehensive guide on how to invest in stocks and cryptocurrencies, even if you're a beginner with no prior experience. So grab a pen and paper, because by the end of this video, you'll have all the knowledge you need to make confident investment decisions and start growing your wealth. Let's get started. Before we dive into the world of investing, it's crucial to understand the basics. In this step, we'll cover the difference between stocks and cryptocurrencies and why investing in both can be a great strategy. I'll explain the concepts in simple terms, breaking down complex jargon so it's easy for anyone to grasp. Now that you have a basic understanding, it's time to create a solid investment plan. In this step, I'll walk you through the importance of setting clear financial goals, understanding risk tolerance, and diversification. You'll learn how to create a plan that aligns with your objectives and minimizes potential risks. Knowledge is power when it comes to investing. In this step, I'll teach you how to conduct thorough research on potential stocks and cryptocurrencies. You'll learn about key financial ratios, company fundamentals, market trends, and more. I'll also provide some helpful resources and tools to make your research process more efficient. It's time to take the plunge and actually start investing. But remember, it's essential to start small and only invest money that you can afford to lose. In this step, I'll explain the importance of diversification and how it can help lower your risk. I'll also share some tips on how to build a diversified investment portfolio that suits your financial goals. Investing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. In this final step, I'll emphasize the importance of staying informed and patient. I'll share some strategies to keep up with market news and trends, and I'll debunk some common myths about investing. Remember, success in investing requires discipline and a long-term mindset. And there you have it, our ultimate 3-minute guide to investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies for beginners. I hope you found this video informative and empowering. Remember to do your own research, seek advice from financial experts, and stay true to your investment plan. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe for more.